Okay, everybody, this is Sinclair Hill coming back at you with a long awaited update. I ordered my Renick front spoiler, or front splitter, front splitter from them about 4 weeks ago. And it looked like it came in today as my wife is home to receive this enormous package. And let me see. Yep, Renick Performance. This got to be the front splitter I've been waiting on. So I'm going to go ahead, open up this package, and we're going to see what awaits us. And yes, it is my long-awaited front splitter. There she is. I'm going to take her out the package, lay her on top of the box so we could get a real good look at her. Alright, there she is out the box. That is the Renick front spoiler. And since I don't have a proper lift to get under the car the way I want to, even though I could jack her up, I only have one jack and a couple of stands. I might try to do that myself, but I don't have the blocks to go in the seams, so I'm going to take it to the shop and let those guys spend about a half an hour and throw this bad boy on. I could probably do it myself in about 45 minutes, but like I said, I don't have the proper blocks to shore up the seam that I could put my stands onto. So I'm going to let those guys at the shop do this. It looks good. It's going to help with more downforce, as well as channeling the air to the sides and up to the back. Hey everybody, this is Sinclair Hill coming back at you with another update. Just want to let everybody know my Renick 100% aluminum front splitter is on the car. We finally got it on. The install was easy. It only took about 40 minutes and it looks great. It's not too low like I thought it would be. I mean, she's pretty much like a half an inch from the factory spoiler or less. But I like the groove channels on the side there. That's going to help redirect air towards the side and out the back to help with more downforce and a little better maybe stabilization. So this front splitter looks good. I didn't put it on to look good. I put it on for what I'm going to do in the future with this car, which will be doing a lot of DE events at my home track of NJNP, Lightning and Thunderbolt. And then when I get good and know my lines and my track in and track out and really master this car the way I would love to, then I will start venturing off to other tracks. But in the meantime, I'm adding to this car for my track events. And eventually she will no longer be my daily driver. I'm not going to go full blown, but eventually I'll drive this less and hopefully drive my other car a little bit more, which that might not happen. But anyway, the Renick front splitter is on the car. Like I said, it's for functionality, not for show. It's going to go in unison with my Renick side skirt as well as my upper spoiler. Next year I'm going to be working on going with a square setup for this car. I'm going to probably drop down to either 19s 295 all the way around or 18 305s all the way around. I want to see which one is going to best fit this car. Like I said, I will be going square. It will help me with turning in the corners, especially got nice sweeping corners. It will really help with my cornering speed. And also I'm going with a different deck lid hopefully next year as well. Carbon fiber with the ducktail already included. That will probably take anywhere from 20 to 40 pounds off of the rear. So once again, everything I add, everyone, is not for show. You know, this is not a show car. This is not a greet and meet car. I mean, I love those things. I love the disciplines, different disciplines, but I'm building this for my track events. And that's why I'm taking a different approach. I'm not just adding things to add things to look good, but I'm adding things for functionality. So everything I put on this car is going to be for function of my track events. Okay, in the meantime, peace, love, happiness. Always remember, God loves you, and so do I. And please subscribe if you haven't. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, leave your comments, and press the like.